Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers for evaluation part from chapter 3 types of levers of class 6th science from refresher course module book. First one, answer the following in one or two sentences. First A sub-question, what is a lever? A lever is a simple rigid bar which is free to move around a point which is called fulcrum. ஸோ லிவர்ன்றது ஒரு ரிஜிட் பாரு, அது வந்து எதை பொறுத்து வந்து மூவ் ஆகும்னு சொன்னால் ஃபல்க்ரமை பொறுத்து மூவ் ஆகும். ஸோ லிவர் இஸ் எ சிம்பிள் ரிஜிட் பார் விச் இஸ் ஃப்ரீ டு மூவ் அரவுண்ட் எ பாயிண்ட் விச் இஸ் கால்டு fulcrum. So this is fulcrum. This one we can consider as a lever. So lever in the sense rigid bar. Sub-question B, what is meant by effort and fulcrum? So effort, the effort is the point on which input force is applied. So நம்ம எங்க force apply பண்றோமோ அது வந்து effort point. Fulcrum னா அது வந்து pivot point. The fulcrum is a point on which the beam pivots. This is effort point. This is fulcrum point. C, define class first lever. Class first lever is a lever where the fulcrum is in between the effort and load. Effortக்கும் லோடுக்கும் சென்டரா fulcrum இருந்தா அது வந்து class first lever type. D, give examples for class 2 lever. Wheelbarrow, stapler, doors, nutcrackers, etc. So these are the examples for class 2 lever. In class 2 lever, that load will be centered between the effort and fulcrum. Next, second one, observe the following pictures, identify the type of lever and write it in the box. So first we'll understand the class 1 lever, class 2 lever, class 3 lever. Class 1 lever, already we know that fulcrum between effort and load. Class 2 lever, load will be centered between the effort and fulcrum. Next, class 3 lever, effort between the fulcrum and load. So this is 3 types of levers. Now we'll identify the type of lever. See here, this is effort, this is load, this is fulcrum. So effort, fulcrum, load. So this is class 1 type lever. So this is class 1 lever. Next, this is effort, this is load, this is fulcrum. So EFL, that EFL represents class 1 lever. Next, like drilling machine or screwdriver, like this is fulcrum, this is effort, this is load. So load means where we are going to get the output work. FEL, this FEL, this is third type. So class third type lever. Next, this wheelbarrow, this is effort, this is load, this is fulcrum. So ELF is class 2 lever. Next, bicycle, cycling, this is fulcrum, that chain axis. This is effort means that pedaling bicycle forward, effort. The first wheel, back wheel will move first, so there will be a load first. So LFE, that LFE or EFL, fulcrum is in between the load and effort, so that is class 1 lever. So class 1 lever. Third one, true or false. A, fulcrum is essential for inclined plane. True. B. Hammer is an example of class 2 lever. False. Hammer example for class 1 lever. Third one, fulcrum is essential for a lever to do work. Yes, true. Fourth one, identify and write the types of levers in the tool pictures given below. Mark and write as 1 for load, 2 for effort and 3 for fulcrum in the picture given below. So 1 for load, 2 for effort, 3 for fulcrum. Here effort 2, here 1 for load, this is 3 for fulcrum. So this is hammer is class 1 lever. Next, nut cracker. This is nut cracker, 2 for effort, 1 for load and 3 for fulcrum. So this is class 2 lever. Next, tong, idiki, 3 for fulcrum, 2 for effort and 1 for load. This is class 3 lever. Next, nail clipper. This is 2 for effort, 1 for load and 3 for fulcrum. So this is upper portion represents class 2 lever. Next, lower portion. This is a compound lever. So there are 2 types of lever. Upper portion is class 2 lever. Next is 3, this point fulcrum for lower portion. This lower portion will move up. So this is effort 2. This 1 is nothing but load. So this represents class 3 type lever. Next, scissor, 1 for load, 3 for fulcrum and 2 for effort. So this is class first type lever. Next, fifth one, mark the location of load, effort and fulcrum in the picture and identify the type of lever. So this is nut cracker. This nut cracker, this point is effort, this point is load, this point is fulcrum. So this is class 2 lever. Next, tong, this point is fulcrum, this point is effort and this point is load. This is class 3 third type lever. Next, this is wheelbarrow. This point is effort, this point is load, this point is fulcrum. This is class second type lever. Next, common balance. This point is effort, this point is fulcrum, this point is load. This is class first type lever. Thank you, students.